How did Count Dooku's lightsaber make him one of the most feared lightsaber duelists across the entire galaxy? This is Saber Theory's Jedi Dooku Neopixel Lightsaber. During his time with the Republic, Dooku studied the Jedi archives and in doing so created his very own curved lightsaber hilt. The curvature of the hilt aligns the blade to the arm, allowing quick and precise attacks and making it nearly impossible to defend. Well, almost impossible. It has everything you need like smooth swing, blaster deflections, flash on clash, and even gesture controls to turn the saber on and off without having to press a button. And don't forget over 15 different character sound fonts to choose from. Even after leaving the Jedi Order, Dooku still kept the curved design in mind when building his Sith lightsaber. Link in my bio.